Namaste. Now we'll learn about bandhas or energy locks in yoga. Bandhas are neuromuscular locks that cleans energy and distribute prana all over the body. Bandhas are engaged only during retention of breath. They are advanced techniques that are designed to improve circulation, vitality, stability in the torso and promote overall strength. Let's begin with Jalandhara Bandha, chin or throat lock. Jalandhara Bandha binds energy in the throat, chest and head. Take some inhalations and exhalations for preparation. Inhale deeply, hold your breath, moving your head and chin downward. Bring your chin close to your collarbones and feel the compression in your throat. Close your eyes and stay steady few seconds with focus. Retention your breath at least 30 seconds as your comfort. Move your head neutral and release bandha. Exhale gently and very slowly. Exhale duration at least 15 to 20 seconds. Slowly exhalation. Relax. Take some deep inhalations and long exhalations. Repeat and practice several times. This Jalandhara Bandha or chin or throat lock refreshes the brain, nourishes the heart, relieves high BP, headaches, sinus problems, insomnia, thyroid and respiratory problems. Bandhas must be learned from a knowledgeable teacher. Mastery of Kumbhaka or retention is essential for this bandhas practice. Exhale slowly, very slowly. The best practice time to practice is during Brahma Muhurta, that is early morning time. Relax. Take some inhalations and exhalations. Now, Uddiyana Bandha, abdominal lock. Ready to abdominal lock. Inhale deeply, exhale quickly with a force. Hold your breath and draw in your abdomen. Do not tense your face or chest. Stay steady for few seconds. Inhale, soften your abdomen and release bandha. Practice several times. Inhale, exhale, relax. This Uddiyana Bandha or abdominal lock relieves diabetes, indigestion, constipation problems, removes toxins, reduces excess abdominal fat, maintains youthful vitality. Bandhas are unique internal energy locks that conserve and distribute the vital energy within the body and prevent it from flowing outwards. Energy locks are engaged only retention of the breath. This abdominal lock are engaged only retention after exhalation of breath. Uddiyana Bandha binds energy in the abdomen. This abdominal lock can be done in standing posture also. Now, Moola Bandha, anal lock. Moola Bandha locks and distributes energy in the pelvis and abdomen. Sit in a comfortable position. Inhale deeply, hold your breath, locate contracts and draw your anal muscles inward and upwards. Stay a few seconds and gently release bandha. Exhale very slowly and smoothly. A positive attitude and inward focus is essential to identify and contract these muscles. This anal lock strengthens the pelvic floor, stabilizes the sacroiliac joint, relieves tailbone pain, hemorrhoids, bladder, prostate, menstrual and menopausal problems. These are practiced only during Kumbhaka or retention of breath. Kumbhaka or retention is conscious holding of the breath without tensing any part of the body. There are two types of Kumbhaka, Antar Kumbhaka and Bahya Kumbhaka. Antar Kumbhaka is retention after inhalation and Bahya Kumbhaka is retention after exhalation. Do not practice retention when you have uncontrolled high BP. Now relaxation. Sitting relaxation. Adho Mukha Vajrasana. Downward facing thunderbolt posture. Inhale, raise your hands. Exhale and stretch forward and rest your head on the cushion. Place your hands in a position that is comfortable for you. Close your eyes and relax. Stay steady with focused breathing. This relaxed posture relaxes mind, brain, eyes, ears, heart, abdomen, spine, legs, and also relieves high BP, migraine, back pain, diabetes, depression, insomnia, hemorrhoids, menstrual and menopausal problems. Inhale, come back to normal position. Bandhas are engaged during pranayama practice, that is Surya Veda, Ujjayi, Sitali pranayamas. Thank you.